everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Duolingo. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Duolingo. Then here, if you find update, you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.